Hello everyone. Question number 2 is, in a potentiometer circuit, a cell of EMF 1.5 volt, it gives a balance point at 36 centimeters length of wire. If another cell of EMF 2.5 volts, it replaces the first cell, then at what length of the wire the balance point occurs? So इसका diagram कैसे बनेगा? First of all, let's discuss that. This is a cell V. Okay, this is another circuit joined to the first circuit. This is a galvanometer. This is length x, which is our balance point. Okay, so the formula of electromotive force EMF is equal to potential gradient multiplied by length of x. Here E1 is 1.5 volts. Okay, E1 is 1.5 volts and E2 is 2.5 volts. Okay, E2 is 2.5 volts. Potential gradient is not given, so हम उसको वैसे ही लिखेंगे PG multiply by length of x. Let 36 centimeters be x1. And we have to find the another length of another cell, that is x2. So x1 is given as 36 centimeters. Here we will write 36 centimeters and here we will write x2. So dividing equation 1 and equation 2, we will get 1.5 divided by 2.5 is equal to potential gradient multiplied by 36 divided by potential gradient multiplied by x2. This got cancelled. Okay, so here after dividing we will get x2 is equal to 36 multiplied by 2.5 divided by 1.5. Here we will get 3 and 5 and 12 and our answer will be 60 centimeters. So value of balance point of another cell is 60 centimeters, which is our answer. Okay, so if we see in the options, option 1 is the correct one. Thank you.